Hello guys, so I've seen a lot of videos on the um gaming PC under $200 and they play games like Overwatch, League of Legends, Fortnite, whatever, CS:GO, like really easy to run games. I guess Fortnite and Overwatch aren't, but CS:GO and like League and Rocket League, really easy to run, doesn't really push the system, and overall their systems are okay. They get a Dell Optiplex, right? And they throw in a GPU, but their GPU is normally not that good. They normally go for a 750 Ti or a 750 Ti or an RX 460, something like that. Something that doesn't need a better power supply. And I'm going to be telling you guys right now that you can get a better GPU if you just buy a better power supply. And if you buy a better power supply, you can upgrade the GPU later on, and it'll still be a better deal with what you get in this video. And if you have some extra money, you can buy an extra GPU and you won't need to upgrade the PSU because you weren't a fool and listened to their videos. So anyway guys, let's check out the parts. First, we have a Dell Optiplex 3020 small form factor. This comes with an i5 4570 clocked at 3.2 GHz. Now a 4th gen i5, that's a very nice CPU. Even today, it's pretty good. And for $60, it's nice. With 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM, for $60, that's a very good deal. Shipping may change that up, but even if this is under $100, it's still not a bad deal. So 500 gigabyte hard drive, what's the catch? Well, the catch is it's got no operating system. But what you can do is you can look up, I think it's called unactivated Windows 10. Windows 10 lets anyone download Windows for free. There are a couple of restrictions, and there's a watermark in the bottom right saying activate Windows, but they allow you to do this for free. It's not stealing or anything. They are fine with you just having it unactivated for free. And so you can get Windows 10 for free. There's a few minuscule features, like the main ones are like not being able to change your wallpaper, which, do you really care that much about your wallpaper? And I'm sure you could get an app anyway to override that, but like, for that to be the main feature that they cut off, it's kind of funny to me. Like does this one have an operating system? This one's $86 plus shipping, and it still doesn't have an operating system, right? So this is a pretty good deal. That's a good deal as well. This 3020. See, but look, it's one of these. You have to put in the RAM, you have to put in the hard drive. I'll just do the cheapest hard drive. Actually, 250 gig, that's cheaper. In the CPU. Yeah, 140. So, the one I showed you originally is definitely the best deal. Okay. So that's what you're gonna get for your base. You're gonna get that, and that's gonna give you a great thing to work with. Also, if you want more RAM, or you see a really good deal but does have a lot of memory, you want at least 8 gigs of memory. So let's say, oh, I really want this, man, which I want to get it, but oh, I really want this, but need more RAM. Well, DDR3 is probably what you're gonna have for one of these Optiplexes, and those are pretty cheap memory modules. So I will sell the great-grandfather of a computer. I don't know why. How do I find stuff like this? But the next thing you're gonna want is a graphics card. And for under $50, you can get the 660, which I think I found for $50 somewhere. One of them was 50. I found $50 for one. Here we go. So this is a 2 gig graphics card. It's real. It has the brand on it. It says EVGA. So there's a graphics card for $50, and $50 again. So that's nice. So you can get them for $50. The MSI cards back in the day, man, looking like that looks so clean. The MSI cards, man, they look great. So this is gonna give you like 30% better performance than the 750, which is at the same price. And then the art card you can get is the R9 270. Now, you can get a cooler version of this card for a bit cheaper, I think. Or, not cheaper, but a bit more expensive. It's the same MSI thing. Like, it literally looks the same. Like that, like MSI has the cards all the same. But yeah, if you want to spend some extra bucks, you can get a cooler version or 4 gigs. But I would stay cheap. If you have 70 bucks, 75 bucks like this, there are better graphics cards, so I would stay on the cheaper side. If you're gonna spend 75 bucks, you can get something more with more value than that. For 50 bucks, that's like a 750 Ti, and this is like a 50% better. So here's the deal: this card is like 15 to 20% better performance based on GPU user bench. But the thing is GTX NVIDIA has better drivers, so you really should decide which one you want to get, or if you see one that's cheap. But there are other cards. If you look on websites like Craigslist, Letgo, you can find a great card for under 50, probably better than this. Like I've seen 960s go for 50. I've seen 660s go for $25. So I'd really recommend looking for like second hand. Well, this is second hand, but like stuff you can buy, straight off of people from Craigslist, Letgo, Facebook Marketplace. That's where I check. Now let's go to EVGA. This is where we're gonna get our power supply. This is Midweek Madness. This is where they have their B stock products in the B stock products right here. These are gonna be cheap as heck. Let me see if they're still cheap now. You can get some really nice stuff. A 210 8400 GS. Man, 8400, these are old. But you can get some, like, if you want to get an old power GPU, this is where you get them, man. 710 for $28. That's like a 50-buck card, sadly. Yeah. But here, see, look at this. $30 for these nice power supplies. Really recommended to get it. So I would definitely get one of these power supplies for $30. And then, like, 600 watt, 1-year warranty, 30 bucks. You put that in, you can always upgrade your power supply, your graphics card later with a power supply like 600, 700 watts. So this is a great build idea, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if I've been uploading lately. I have a ton of ideas, but I just never really get around to it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy. If you do, like and share. Thanks.